See, Tamil Nadu politics is known for everybody. Anti-national stand going against central government is a policy which has been adopted by Tamil Nadu government, not from today, it's been from decades. As far as delimitation issue is concerned, Honorable Home Minister of this country, Amit Shah ji, has made it pretty clear. Due to delimitation, neither Tamil Nadu or no other states in the South India will be affected. The constituency will only increase, it is not going to get reduced. In spite of the assurance given by Honorable Home Minister, Tamil Nadu government and the Chief Minister Stalin is only doing politics. Whether it's delimitation, whether it's national education policy or on this rupee matter, the stand of Tamil Nadu government is anti-national. That is the basis on which Tamil Nadu government does politics.
You also belong to the southern states, sir. The development which are happening is saying Congress and the alliance parties are saying that BJP is imposing something which doesn't at all require to the southern states.
Pardon?
The BJP, Congress and alliance parties are saying that BJP is trying to impose something.
Say one thing, my dear friend, one thing Mr. Siddaramaiah, Chief Minister and DK Shivakumar should understand. Congress party has literally rooted out from Tamil Nadu. They are in big loss. Congress is in no position to come to power in Tamil Nadu because people have rejected. But the stand which the line of thinking of Tamil Nadu government and our state governments trying to follow Tamil Nadu is very unfair. I was just speaking. See, our Chief Minister Siddaramaiah repeatedly targets central government on budget issue. Every time Siddaramaiah claims central government is doing injustice to Karnataka people, Narendra Modi ji and Nirmala Sitharaman is doing injustice to Karnataka, people of Karnataka. Umar Abdullah, Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, when he presented his budget, he has openly welcomed Narendra Modi ji. He has welcomed Nirmala Sitharaman ji. The way in which Honorable Prime Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has helped Jammu and Kashmir in giving additional funds